Skeen, brand director at QuickSilver Sound Architects, and behind me we have something that's been here with us before, Aston Martin DB12 in this wonderful factory lime green colour. The owner of this, believe it or not, had the sport rear section and wanted something more, wanted it louder, so he came to the right place, he came back to us, and we've developed a new product for you which is now available on QuickSilverResource.com. It's the OPF delete pipes and the sport rear section. This is a combination of what you can really get, the full fat combination, and we're going to hear what it sounds like when we get it mic'd up, do some flybys and revs and see what you think about it. And also, if you just want one of these products, also available. And finally, get to our website where there's a dealer locator and you can find your nearest dealer which can supply and fit a QuickSilver system for you. Couple more blaps. That's lovely. As you can hear, when they warm up a bit, they snap and crackle and pop even more. If you want to hear more, get to QuickSilverResource.com, the YouTube channel, videos every week and lots of products, and get on the website and buy. Get it done! Ah!